Looking for a smart investment? Let me tell you something. Hurricane Milton is over and it might just open the door to incredible opportunities. Let me tell you why. After a storm like this, many properties can be listed at discounted prices, either due to damage or because sellers are motivated to move fast. Don't just focus on the price tag. You'll need to factor in repair costs, consider the long-term return on investments. That's why partnering with an experienced agent is essential. With the right strategies, you can find hidden gems. It might look rough now, but it can turn into great investments after renovations. I can help you navigate these post-hurricane opportunities. Let's connect today before they're gone.